Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda HR-V LX. The vehicle will come equipped with LED daytime running lights. Econ mode for fuel efficient driving. Steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through your audio sources and control the volume. Buttons to be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. You'll have a CD player, be able to Bluetooth music into the car. Climate control buttons. Under here you will have a USB port and a power port. You'll have a parking brake and brake hold feature. Cup holder and center console. You'll also have the convenience of pushing the buttons in case you do have a shallower drink. Have the all-weather floor mat and all footwells. You'll have an additional power port and cup holder there. The seats can fold down. The vehicle does come with a backup camera with 3 different views. You have the all-weather cargo tray, and under here you will have the spare tire tool set. This is the 2019 Honda HR-V LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.